Hello, District 46. I'm Chettaniyal, your Public Relations Manager, and today I'm joined by our Club Growth Director, Rosalynn Mock. Both Rosalynn and I are proud members of Traffic Toastmasters, where I serve as VPE and she serves as Club Secretary. In this video, we will be walking through and completing the Club Success Plan for Traffic Toastmasters. Our goal is to give you a behind-the-scenes look at how simple and impactful this process can be. By watching us fill it out step by step, we hope to inspire you and our clubs across District 46 to do the same. The Club Success Plan is more than just a document. It's a roadmap for growth, member engagement, and achieving distinguished recognition. So join us, follow along, and then take the time to complete your own Club Success Plan to set your club up for success this year. So let's go.
Let's get started.
I'm already on my homepage. Scroll down, go to Club Central, and here is the Club Success Plan for this. It has opened up. This is how the Club Success Plan looks like. And here you'll see it is one of the important requirements.
The Club Success Plan is super important for every club to fill out, not just because it is a requirement for you to become a distinguished club, but also because, as Jessie said earlier, it is the roadmap that your club will use to achieve its goals for the year. Let's see how we get started.
Since I'm the VPE, I'll get started with the education section. I hit start. This is how the whole thing looks. For our DCP, we have 6 education goals that we have to achieve. The first goal is 4 level 1 awards. Second goal is 2 level 2. And third is 2 more level 2. We need 4 level 2s. And fourth goal is to have at least 2 level 3. Fifth one, we need either 1 level 4, path completion, or a DTM. And again, the sixth goal is the same, 1 level 4, path completion, or a DTM. Let's see how Traffic Club can plan. We already had a conversation with the members on what levels they will be completing. I'll start with mine. I have a path completion that I will be contributing. Also, Rosalynn. You could see as soon as I clicked here on path completion, there's a check mark. This shows that 2 of Traffic Club's education goals will be fulfilled if we get these 2 checked out. Now, what we have, we need 3 level 3. Our member will be contributing to the level 3. This member is going to do a level 3, and we have another member who's going to do a level 3, completing their level 1. Let's look at the education goals. Wow, Traffic Club already has all of the education goals checked off. We are on track to be a 10 club. And distinguished Toastmaster. Don't have any members currently, but we will revisit this part and hopefully we will have a name to update there by end of the year. After we complete the education goals, now we are on to strategies and tactics. As a club, we have already filled it out in the PDF version. I'm just going to copy paste that onto the live version since this is just for information purpose. Here's the first question. What are some ways to motivate members to progress through the education program? And if you need more information, if you don't understand what this question is about, just click on the I here and it will tell you what the club success plan is looking for. For our club, what we thought the 2 items are to familiarize ourselves with the pathways, to be aware of how to go through the system and assign mentors. I think this would be a great way that people could go through the education program. And what obstacles keep members from completing projects? For the obstacles, these are the items that came up on. That's time, topics to speak on. Need to understand more about the benefits of what project speeches can help with. Maybe we could give examples of how it helps to improve. Here you will see action items, and if you have any action items you have already planned with your club, you can update it there. Here is another question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how familiar are members with the Pathways learning experience? So for our club, I would put a 4 because we have been pretty vocal about Pathways. and I think I would put a 4. So how does your club promote pathways? That's with trainings. So we are planning to do trainings, and for new members, we'll set up a routine to invite them after meetings to talk about pathways. How will your club prepare its new members to work in pathways? Who will be responsible for showing them around base camp? So it will definitely be me as VPE. I will walk new members through pathways. There's another action item, so that's optional. I can hit save and close. It takes a few seconds. So we're done with the education portion. That wasn't that hard. And make sure that you see 100% complete over here. You can skip the optional items, but definitely we would recommend, if you have action plans, updated there. But make sure the important points are all filled out. And for the membership portion, I'd now invite Rosalynn.
Thank you, Jessie. All right, so here we are on the membership page. If you scroll down a little bit, Jessie, our membership goal by June 30. Let's see, what is our membership base currently? Can you go to our club dashboard?
Yes.
We're distinguished last year. We want to become president's distinguished. So this dashboard, we need 6 more members. So to the base of 14, our goal would be to have 20 members for the year. In terms of strategies and tactics, what is your club's plan to motivate its current members to renew? We had talked about this as club officers, so we'll just paste this. Our thoughts were we would reach out informally to our members. We would talk about the easy payment options, such as self-pay, and we'd also explain the benefits of renewing. Lastly, we would talk about the incentives, such as the membership momentum incentive, where if you renew for the whole year, you can win a free path. Also, the first 500 get a free pen, just to incentivize our members to renew. We have these fun incentives we can talk about. Next question is, what is your club's plan to gain new members? Some ideas that we had were to reach out informally, to send the agenda ahead of time, and to also talk about the meeting that we had previously to our guests. We could also post on social media and talk about our club meetings, social media, but also our personal accounts. Next up, we have a section to enter in action items. This is optional, so feel free to add anything if you wanted to break out specific tasks to get you to reach your goals. For now, we'll skip this, but we will continue to talk about this as a club throughout the year. Now we just have to click save and close and move on to the next section.
Thank you, Rosalynn. So membership is now 100% complete. Now the next portion is training. I'll take that. Let's go. Start. We're at the training part. The first question is Club Officer Training Progress Tool. So the first training period is from June to August and second from November to Feb. So the first training period is all over and we're at September. And for Traffic Club, the President, VPM, Secretary, and Sergeant. Four of officers were able to attend the training. But for the fall trainings, we are aiming for all 7 officers. So you need to have at least minimum of four officers to be trained to get the administration goal. So we have that goal already. And for November, we'll have all 7 officers trained. And moving on to strategies and tactics. So what are some ways to motivate officers to attend an officer training? These are the 2 points our club has decided, like have constant reminders, talk about the benefits. And after that, we have some action items. That's again optional. I'll hit save and close. There we go. We got the 100% complete.
And next up is the administration. So once you hit start, we're taken to this page, and this is for goal 10 of the DCP, which is the Distinguished Club Program. The first question that we need to discuss to World Headquarters on time. First thing is membership renewal dues. Usually it would be the treasurer who is responsible for this. And in our case, the treasurer is Sabrina. The other piece of information that needs to be submitted to world headquarters is the officer list. And this is usually the secretary. And in this case, that is yours truly. What are the strategies and tactics that we can use to complete this? Some current obstacles that we might have is renewing the membership and collecting the dues in time. So hopefully we'll be able to do that in time for September. And to help overcome this, we'll use payment options that are easy, like PayPal, or reminding everyone about self-pay on toastmasters.org. We don't have any action items for this one, so we can just hit save and close. So that completes the administration part of the club success plan. We're almost done, everyone.
Yay. So now the next two parts are optional, but as a club, we did go through that. Let me hit start. This is the committee values and processes. Here's the first question. How will the club executive committee follow the Toastmaster International values? The club is aligned with the mission to lead and enable the club to be a supportive, positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills. And we are also aligned to Toastmaster International's club's values of integrity, respect, service, and excellence. And so moving on to the next question, club executive committee interactions. How will decisions be made? We decided that we will be voting and it will be further deliberation until we reach a unanimous decision. How will the club resolve differences of opinion? It will again be a vote and the ties will be decided by the president. How will the club executive committee be held accountable for its responsibilities? So for that, we will share the club success plan with the area director to hold us accountable, which is already updated on the Toastmasters International website. And then we will have quarterly reports during officer meetings. We'll compile it, we'll share with the team. When was the last time the club conducted moments of truth? So it's been a while. I think it was 2 years ago. And 1 to 5, I would say it was definitely very beneficial. On a scale of 1 to 10, how motivated are members to attend club meetings? And say for 4. On a scale of 1 to 5, how motivated are members to sign up for meeting rules? So for the club, meeting rules are signed up immediately after the meeting. So I would just put a 4 here as well. So if your club scored 2 or less in the above questions, what led to scoring itself? We definitely scored more than 2, so I'm going to skip that. What strategies will your club use to ensure members consistently attend meeting rules? So for our club, we decided that we announce and get members to sign up for roles after each meeting and pitch benefits for each role, set up recurring meeting invites to members, share a link to WhatsApp message to members to communicate regularly and easily, reach out to members that haven't attended, announce different themes per meeting. Okay, completes our portion of committee values and processes. After that, I'm going to hit save and close.
And the last section is planning process contributors. Also optional, but I think we can complete this one.
Okay.
All right, so here we are on the planning process contributors. This is asking who worked on the club success plan. In our case, it was all of the officers for our club. And so if you click on the drop-down menu, we just click on all of the officers and then hit save and close. That's it. Here we are on the very last step, which is to hit submit, and that makes it complete, submitted, but it doesn't end there. We will continue to revisit this plan as officers throughout the year and hopefully achieve the success that we planned for at the beginning of the year.
Thank you, Rosalynn. So there we submitted the club success plan, and here you'll see that it has been successfully submitted, and it shows that it was submitted on September 4 by me. And going back, like there is 100% here because these are required portions. So these are all 100% and these were optional. This 90% is totally fine. And throughout the year, if you revisit, definitely go and resubmit. Thank you for joining us as we completed the Traffic Toastmasters Club Success Plan. We hope this demonstration has shown you how straightforward and valuable the process can be. Now it's your turn. Sit down with your club officers, fill out your own club success plan, and align your goals for the year ahead. Together, we can strengthen our clubs, empower our members, and continue climbing higher as District 46. Remember, success doesn't happen by chance, it happens by plan. So let's plan for success and make this a medley distinguished year for every club in District 46. Let's go.
Go District 46.